Hi there, this is Mark Schiff for Stand With Us. And today we're on the campus of UCLA, and we're talking to the kids that go here to find out what they know about Israel. And I think you'd be very shocked to find out how much they do know and how much they don't know. So we're going to ask you a couple of questions about the Middle East. Do you know anything about it at all?
So.
What is the only democracy in the Middle East? Is it Iran, Lebanon, Israel, or Syria? The only democracy.
Iran, I guess.
Nope.
Iran.
Right. I didn't know any of the answers either.
I'm going to guess Lebanon.
Right.
I think I'm going to say Syria.
Syria. It's a good country, Syria.
Yeah.
Turkey?
Turkey.
Turkey. Okay. Talking about Turkey, Thanksgiving is coming, so we love Turkey.
So that means I was wrong.
Yes, it was Israel there.
Okay.
Yes. You're from one of the, like we said, the biggest Muslim country in the world. How many Muslim countries are there in the world? 10, 23, 43, or 56?
Try and count them.
That would be, we'd run out of film.
Majority Muslim population.
Majority Muslim population, like in Indonesia.
23. 23?
It's more than that.
23?
I'm going to go with 23.
23. 43.
You only got two more to guess.
53.
It's 56.
56.
And how many Jewish countries are in the world? 1, 6, 13, or 20? 1,
Jewish
6,
countries in the world.
13, or 20?
7.
7. Yeah. Huh? That's all right.
13.
13.
I'm going to say 6.
15.
15 Jewish countries. Yeah, there's a lot of, especially in this area, you have a tremendous amount of Jewish people. That's true. How long have Arab Palestinians considered themselves a people?
I would say 1,000 years.
How long has there been a Jewish presence in the land of Israel, you think?
I would guess 75.
75 years. Absolutely, the Jews have been there for 75 years. What is Hamas? Do you know what it is? Is it a type of spread or dip? Is it a humanitarian aid group, a new music group that's coming up now, or a terrorist group?
Type of dip.
Dip. Yeah, you like Middle Eastern food?
Music group?
Yeah, they definitely, absolutely, Hamas does play music. There's no doubt about it. They're sort of, working things out, but maybe one day they'll be big.
Hummus?
Yeah.
The food?
Yeah, the food.
I don't know exactly what it is, but I love it, and you can do it with pita bread, and I think it's really good.
My favorite olives, and it's just
Yeah, it's
unbelievable.
really good.
Unbelievable.
Why are you so anti-Hamas? I mean, isn't pita bread the real enemy?
Hummus has nothing to do with Hamas. It's a food, okay? We eat it, they eat it.
It's vegetarian, it's healthy, it's beans.
Well, do you both agree on that?
We both agree that hummus is very healthy.
So we're making progress.
Just like you, I'm shocked to find out what they did know and what they don't know. But one thing for sure that I found is we have a lot of work to do to get these people to understand exactly what we're about. So thank you very much, and see you again soon. You want to teach?
No, actually I want to go into international relations.
Yeah.
I want to do something with like the United Nations, maybe be a diplomat to a different country or something like that.
الكتاب الابيض فيه الحل صراطي بعدين يا علي بس